Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates.
So we are on the WordPress dashboard and we are back with another feature series, and in this video I will discuss some of the exclusive feature of gift card for WooCommerce Pro plugin, that is group gifting. So we have added this feature in this plugin so that the customers can easily purchase the group gift card and the particular customer can become the organizer. And once he has purchased that gift card, so once the customer has entered all the contributors' email, so all the contributors will receive the email and they can also contribute to the amount to that particular gift card. And once all the contribution is done and as per the date decided, so that particular group gift card will be sent to that particular recipient with all the contributions that have been added. So now let us see how this functionality works. So basically you have to hover on products and you have to click on all products. And let's suppose I have created this test gift card product to explain you about this functionality. So let me click on edit. So we are on the edit product section, and here this is the product I have created, that is test gift card product. So let me scroll down and here you can see the option of group product. So from here the admin can click on this tick box to enable the functionality of group product. So from here let me click on this. So as you can see that the disclaimer has come. It will automatically enable the general setting date feature option. No additional action is required. So it will be activated itself. So like if you are disabling the date feature settings, so it will affect your group gifting product. So automatically like when you have enabled this, so automatically date option will be enabled. So I will show you what is this date option. So firstly let me click on update and let me click on view product. So this is the product that I have created. So as you can see that this is the select date. So by default, like whenever you are purchasing that on that particular day, so the next date is automatically selected. Like today is 20, so it has selected like by default 21. So you can also change the date, or you can also decide a particular date on which this gift card product will be sent. So like if I selected like 22, so on 22 this gift card product will be sent. And here you can write the sender name, and here you can write the like gift message. So here I have written this gift message here. So as you can see that this is the option of contributors email. So the organizer or the person or the customer that is purchasing this group gift card, so from here the customer can enter the contributors email separated by commas. So here like I have entered like this email, and here let me click on add to cart. So the product has been added to cart. So let me click on proceed to checkout. So once you have filled all the details, so let me click on place order. So the order has been placed. So now let me show you how the contributors will receive this email. So as you can see that this is how the contributors will receiving this email. Like you are receiving this mail to contribute for this group gift card. So as soon as the contributor will click on this, here he can enter the like gift contribution, and here he can enter the price for which he wants to contribute. Like let me select like 150 and let me click on add to cart. So as you can see that the product has been added in the cart, and as you can see that it is showing the original order number as 2575 and original product as 731. So let me click on proceed to checkout and let me click on place order. So the order has been received, and now let me go to my account, and here let me select gift cards, and here let me click on group orders. So as you can see that this is the order ID that I was showing like 2575. So let me click on view for order detail. So as you can see that here the contributor details are coming as like this is the email and date, and this is the amount that I have selected, that is $150. So now when I will click on back, so as you can see that the total amount that is showing as 450, because when the organizer has purchased that gift card, so basically it was of $300 and the contributor has contributed $150. So a total of $450 gift card will be sent to the recipient. So the organizer can also share this link directly from here from the WhatsApp, or he can copy the link from here. And as you can see that this is the new interface that we have added, like for this coupon recharge and check balance. So from here the customer can also recharge the coupons. So let me show you how this functionality works. So but before going to this, so let me again go back to this edit product section, and here let me go to orders. So we are on the order section, and as you can see that for these two orders, so this was the main order like 2575, and it was of $300, and it is showing as group gifting. And for this like $150 that we are that has been contributed, so it is showing the sub order of 2575. Let me show you this. When I will scroll down, so as you can see that this was of $300, and here as you can see that the sub order ID is this. So here as you can see that two sub order IDs are there, 2575 and 2576. So this was the first order that was organizer has purchased, that was of $300, and this was the contributors like amount, as you can see that $150. So this is how this group gifting functionality works. And now let me click on coupons. So let's suppose if the customer is having this coupon code and it has no expiry. So let me go here, and here let me click on coupon recharge, and here let me enter the price. So here let me enter the price, and here let me enter the coupon code here. So firstly let me show you like what is the balance of this coupon code. So let me enter the buyer's email and gift card code, and let me enter the email, and let me check the balance. So as you can see that it is showing as $300, and now let me recharge the coupon. And let me enter the coupon code, and let me click on recharge. And here let me place this order for this recharge, and here when I will check the balance, so now let me click on check balance. So as you can see that now it is showing $500. So because we have recharged just now for the coupon, and that was of $200, so now the total amount has reached to $500. So this is how the customers can easily recharge the coupons, check the balance, and order this group gift, the functionality that we have added, so that the customers can easily purchase the group gift. So let us again go back to the backend. So this was all about the group gifting features and how the customers can easily recharge the coupons from the front end and check the balance. So the links to the product have been mentioned in the video's description, so you can check and get all the details. And if you are facing any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section, and we will be glad to help you.
And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.